What's up, you guys? Behind me we have a 2015 Z06 with over 1,000 horsepower, and we have my 2018 ZL1 that has about 650 horsepower. And as you can see, we have the freeway right here with all the people staring at us, which is going to be kind of cool. But so I want to introduce you guys to someone. This is Davis right here, and he's a proud owner of the Z06, and he's letting us check it out and do a little comparison video. But Davis, you want to tell us a little bit about the Z06?
Yeah, it's a 2015 Z06, not stock. But yeah, other than that, it's a fun car.
It's a beast. You'll hear it. It's pretty freaking loud. And what are the specs on the engine, the power that it's taking?
It has 1,016 horsepower, and then it's a procharger with all forged internals, so it's all built. So
yeah, so this car's been fully built, so it's safe to say it's not stock.
Yeah.
And then right here we have Josh.
What's up, guys?
With Wastegate Media. You guys are probably familiar if you've seen him on my channel. You've probably seen him on Instagram. And they actually just launched a new collection of merch. They have shirts. You guys have hats.
Yep.
Sweatshirts.
We have sweatshirts.
Anything
coming out with some new stuff in the fall for our fall release. So keep an eye out for that.
Awesome. So sorry if the audio is a little bit shitty because I'm right next to the freeway and you got cars driving everywhere. But as he said, they came out with shirts, hats, sweatshirts. What was the other thing they're coming out with? Jet tag stickers, socks maybe?
Socks,
lanyards, all that stuff. So I'll link them down below, and I'll link Davis's Instagram down below so you guys can check it out. But basically, to give you guys just like a little view of the cars, right away you can tell that these cars look pretty menacing. So the Z06 is it's a stock ride height as well as the ZL1, and they both have like this, I don't know, they just both look really aggressive. And as you can tell, they've got awesome lines on these cars. The wheels are pretty massive. The wheels on the Z06 are actually 335. See if I can show you. Right there, 335. So these are stock, and they're actually wider than the ones on the ZL1, and these are going to be 305. So yeah, they're going to be a little bit wider. And then on the back, you're going to notice that the ZL1 is a little bit more round versus the Z06 that has kind of the sharper edges on the corners, and then they run along the top of the car. Another thing to notice is that the Z06 lights are a little bit smoked, and they come stock from the factory like that, versus the ZL1 comes with the red tail lights, but you can opt to switch them out. And it's actually an extra spec that you can order on these ones, where it has kind of that smoked look that the Z06 has. In terms of the wheels, you have 20-inch wheels on the ZL1. And then if you walk over to the Z06, you're also gonna have this one's actually running Mickey Thompson tires right here, so you can tell these are quite the tires, and you do not want to run these in the rain. But during the summer when it's dry out, they grip like crazy. But yeah, so these wheels are actually going to be 20 inches wide as well, or yeah, the circumference is 20 inches with the slotted rotors and the Brembo brakes, because this car definitely needs those brakes to be able to stop this beast. And as you can see here, you also have the vents on the side of the car. And then you're gonna notice that the placement of the air intakes on these cars are slightly different in size, but the location's pretty much the same. Because on the ZL1, you're gonna have the bigger, it's a little bit bigger, kind of just a different shape on the front, left and right. And then the Z06 is going to have it right here. It's a little bit smaller, but it's more hidden, because this one, as you can tell, is a little bit more scrunched up. So they make it have that more aggressive look to it. And so now I want to compare the interior. So with the Z06, you're going to notice that the interior of the car is a lot more simple and less intricate than the Camaro. And that's something that they really improved in the Camaro, and I have yet to see the 2018 Z06, but as far as the 2015, it's pretty simple, very straightforward. It's got the glass roof, which the Camaro doesn't have, and it has the racing seats that have the contrast stitching and the embossed, I think that's how you say it, Z06 logo, and then the Corvette side piece. We were just filming and Davis noticed that the back hatch was not closed while they were driving. Not a problem you want to have when you're flooring it. All right guys, and lastly, I think the most important thing to compare is going to be the exhaust. So the ZL1 is stock, 650 horsepower. This is extremely modified, 1016 horsepower, headers, full thing, procharged. So we're about to hear this thing turn up.
Turn left, turn right, turn up.
Count the beat to go.
Start up and get some exhaust clips for you. As you can tell, that's stock, or that's not stock. All right, tell him to wait, tell him to wait. All right, I hope you guys heard that. That was crazy. Holy shit. Wow. I think we might have blown the mic on this, but we're gonna find out later. Holy shit.
That run my ears and I was in it with the
wow.
window.
Dude.
I'm standing in front of you.
This thing is a beast. Holy shit. I mean, I don't even think there's a point in doing mine. Like,
it's still pretty good. It's still loud.
That was,
yeah.
and we weren't even behind it. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. I would have shown mine, but I'll have to do that in a different clip because this thing, it's embarrassing mine, but this thing is a beast. So again, thank you so much, Davis, for letting us show your car. Josh, again, thank you. Check out Wastegate Media. I'll link them down below. And it's my brother walking around in the background trying to hide. But yeah, guys, I wanted to show you this Z06 because there's not many like this one. Are there any built like this one? Is there like a certain number of them?
Yeah, there are. There's quite a bit of guys that do.
Yeah. So is there a name for like the whole setup, or is it just kind
of? It's an F1A procharger.
There you go. So it's an F1A procharger, and a bunch of guys go and get their Z06s custom built to kind of whatever they want.
What did you do?
All right, so they're telling me to do mine. I was embarrassed. I wanted to compare it, but I guess we'll do it. All right, guys, well, there you have it. That's the 2018 ZL1 exhaust. That's stock. I think I'm gonna put a Corsa on it and then tune it and see if it was weird because it wouldn't let me rev past 3,000. So it might be something to do with like the stock tune on it or something, but I'll get it checked out. But anyways, that's a 2015 Z06, my 2018 ZL1. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video, and let me know what you guys think down below. Yeah, I'm gonna be pushing out tons of more content, so I really appreciate your support. I'll talk to you guys soon.